Right. So now I'm gonna talk about some World War One posters. It's propaganda posters, and the first one we chose is this one. It says, "Your chumps are fighting. Why aren't you?" It uses the bandwagon technique, which is a propaganda technique, which is like everyone is doing it. Why aren't you? And this is quite literally the thing that it says right on the poster. So it's a very typical example of that technique. The front guy here is a silhouette, actually also the other guys, but if you take this as an example, he is like all black. You can't see his facial expression or anything. He's more like an example of the soldiers that it's so you can like identify with them. About the word uses or diction, it says your chumps and not just like someone you know are fighting, so it's more personal. It has like a diagonal composition, which gives a little movement to the picture. The point of view is like a worm's eye, so you look up at him and he's all cool and stuff. About the next one, it also is like lend you 5 shillings to your country and crush the Germans. About the emotional words, it's like crush the Germans and not just beat the opponent or something like that. And here's like bird's eye, you look down on him. Oh, I don't have any more time. Okay, that's it.